Many on both sides agreed that we should give small businesses and individuals the ability to participate in a new insurance marketplace, which members of Congress would also use, that would allow them to pool their purchasing power and get a better deal from insurance companies. If that's not a good enough reason to participate in National Prescription Drug Take-Back Day, here's another.
Another one of the incentives for small businesses to begin to participate in the opportunities.
I hope the Senate acts in a bipartisan fashion, as it has in confirming Judge Sotomayor twice before, and as swiftly as possible, so that she can take her seat on the court in September and participate in deliberations as the court chooses which cases it will hear this coming year. And with that,
I want to make sure that everybody has a chance to kind of get in the action and participate.
I think it's a wonderful idea, but my question is, if the Republicans actively refuse to participate in a reasonable way with reasonable proposals, isn't it time to just say, we're going to pass what the American people need and what they want without the Republicans?
well, let me make a couple of points. First, insurance companies will have an incentive to participate in this exchange because it lets them compete for millions of new customers. That's why Michelle and I have invited LGBT families to the White House to participate in events like the Easter egg roll, because we want to send a message. As an Asia-Pacific nation, the United States expects to be involved in the discussions that shape the future of this region and to participate fully in appropriate organizations as they are established and evolve.
For those of you who don't know, these girls are a part of our young women who participate in the White House Leadership and Mentoring Program. And we're
You hear me? Boys and girls, what time is it? It's time for a Jammin' Minute.
It's time for Jammin' Minute. It's time for Jammin' Minute.
Oh, there's a song.
It's time for Jammin' Jammin' Minute.
You got
when
a
I
theme
say
song.
jam, you say in, jam, jam,
in.
When I say jam, you say in, jam, jam,
In.
Boys and girls, today we're going to do
Way to
some
move,
California dreaming. So stand up.
All right.
Let's get ready to move. We're going to do each exercise for 30 seconds. First, we're going to march across the Golden Gate Bridge. Ready, set, go. Lift those legs up, boys and girls. There, you're doing a great job. Are you marching high? Lift those feet. Let's go. March, march, march. Excellent job, boys and girls. You're doing it. Great job. I see my preschoolers over there. Lift those legs, boys and girls.
Higher.
Okay. Now, we're going to surf on the Pacific Ocean. Let's get ready to surf the ocean.
We're going to the ocean.
Listen, boys and girls. Get on your surfboard.
Nurse,
Ready?
I don't think they can hear you. I think she said we're going to the Pacific Ocean.
Yes, we
We're
are.
going swimming.
All right.
Let's go.
Surfing. Okay. And swimming. Let's swim. All right. Lift those arms. Get those strokes in there.
Come on,
Excellent
Shawnee.
job, boys
Stroke
and
it
girls.
Stroke it out.
Do the
Stroke it
backstroke.
out. This is
Let
the
me see your
Pacific Ocean.
backstroke.
They're waves.
Very good,
They're
boys
waves.
and girls.
Oh, backstroke.
Okay.
Backstroke.
Very good. Now for our next activity, let's climb up a redwood tree.
Oh,
Raise your arms, lift your legs. Hold on, don't fall off. Are you getting tired? Oh, you can go. Reach the top of the tree, boys and girls. Reach high. Excellent job, boys and girls. Now, for our next activity, let's pretend you are an actor and wave to all of your fans. Wave to your fans. Hello, hello, hello.
hello, hello.
Excellent job, boys and girls. And for our last activity, let's flex our muscles like Arnold Schwarzenegger, the governor of California. Flex those muscles, boys and girls. Oh, I see some really hard ones out there. Excellent. Great job. You may be seated.
Thank you, Nurse Hall. Thank you, boys and girls.
last year, Joe put out a sign-up sheet for anyone who wanted to participate. And it's the knowledge that at any moment, they could be called upon to stop a robbery, to participate in a high-speed chase, or to save a life. Players participate in the Read with the Blue Devils program and visit patients at the Children's Hospital in Durham, giving as much as they can to the Duke community that gives so much to them. So I want to thank all those who continue to participate in this effort.